For me, I like to do all my cooking outdoors when I'm camping, whether it's by the campfire, like I've got set up here, or with an outdoor kitchen setup, which I think is really nice. Thanks to FEIWOOD Gear, they sent me this tarp. It's really designed for an SUV to hook onto a car and put it off as an awning. But I thought, what the heck? Why wouldn't it work on my trailer? And so far, so good. It works pretty good. Little suction cups hook onto the surface, and then you have your tarp with your poles and your stakes. So anyways, thanks FEIWOOD Gear. And also, thanks for the 20-liter collapsible water jug. That works great. And then I have my little Blackstone griddle set up outside. And over here would be a nice little prep area. And then I have a lantern there too. So at nighttime, if I want to cook something up real quick, I can do that. And I do have my 2-burner Coleman stove, so I can make the coffee and a little pan for frying stuff up there. So then down below in that little gray package, that is actually all my utensils. Be like paper plates and all that fun stuff are all in there. So she's all set up. I think it turned out really well. And again, thanks FEIWOOD Gear for the tarp and the water jug. I really appreciate it. Now leave a note down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this little outdoor kitchen area. I think it's awesome.